Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's MX Sniper 937 on that YouTube channel. Oh my god. So yeah, haven't really posted this yet, but there it is. Whoa. Got the new PC. It's pretty cool. Never built one before, so it was the first time trying it, and I won't lie, I really didn't know what all the stuff I was getting. I know I wanted to be able to stream to Twitch and stuff like that. So, and what was Scott using? All right, here we go. I mean, this is the beast we had before. No, it's not an Apple, just a damn sticker, people. Come on. So it worked, kinda, sorta, not really. So we definitely upgraded. So it was my first build ever. I got the case and all the parts and pieces. Like I said, it was. I've watched a ton of YouTube videos, so how it all went together, I wasn't too worried about. But just trying it for the first time, I was unsure on. But did pretty good. I had to have a guy at work help me with installing like the Windows and all the drivers and stuff like that. But as far as actually putting it together, the motherboard, the CPU, the cooler, the video card, all the RAM, I did all that stuff. Little trouble with the wiring, but which now that I've done one, seems really kind of silly, I guess, that I had so much trouble with it. But for the first time, I thought I did pretty good. Hooked everything up, power came on, so, but yeah, maybe let's take a look at it, huh? Here we go. Alright, so here's some of the parts that we put in this bad boy. Went with AMD with the 8-core processor. Some of the stuff I don't think I needed, but I guess I just felt like buying anyway. So I added an extra fan for the top. Probably didn't really need it. I ended up getting with the Hyper 212 Evo for the CPU cooler. As you can see in the photo, it's pretty big, a lot bigger than the stock cooler that came with it. But I was like, what the hell? So I figured the cooler it runs, the better. I know I had a buddy wanted me to put some water cooling on it. I thought maybe for the first build that probably wasn't such a hot idea, but yeah. So it's got the GTX 960 gaming 4G motherboard. Got the 970 for the graphics card, 600 for the power supply. So bunch of crap. Honestly, if it weren't for my friends, I wouldn't know what the hell I was doing. So thanks to you guys for helping me get the right parts. And yeah, I've had the computer up and running here for what, I don't know, a week maybe. Love it. 100 times better than my laptop, so I'm excited. I'm happy with it, and yeah, we'll maybe do a little better video in the future. I didn't do. I thought maybe we could do like a time-lapse build of it. I didn't want to, mainly because I didn't want you guys to see how slow I was working, and yeah, I mean, it probably took me, I don't know, 5 hours, 8 hours maybe from start to finish, but I really didn't know what I was doing, and I was taking it easy, so I was just trying to take my time, trying not to break anything. So for the first build, I'm alright with it. I know a couple people said it should only take you like a half hour to an hour to put it all together, but not for me, not for my first time, so I'm cool with it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go play some H1Z1.